Hello friends, let me carry you along as I make this delicious breakfast recipe. In a bowl, I have little flour that I'll be using for the flour slurring. I have some chopped pepper, peanut butter, some sliced cabbage, sliced spring onions and carrots. Set them aside. I'll add water to the flour and turn it into flour slurry. In a cooking pan, I have little preheated oil, so I will throw in the sliced pepper, stir together. Then I'll be adding the spring onions to it. Next, I will add the carrot to it. To it also, I'll be adding the peanut butter. Stir them together and allow to fry for about 2 minutes. This time I'll be adding some seasoning cube, some salt to taste, and also some little curry powder and stir together. After frying them for some time, it is time to add the cabbage and stir together. Lastly, I will add to it the flour slurring and stir together. This will bind all the ingredients together. Allow to cook for about 3 minutes and set aside. Also, I have some flour here that I'll add water to and turn into flour slurring. Make sure to mix very well and set aside. Next, I'll be cutting the edges of the bread. Please, if you are new to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. And to all my amazing viewers, thank you so much for always being there. May God bless you. After cutting out the edges of the sliced bread, I'll transfer into a bowl and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. Now that the edges of the sliced bread are neatly cut out, I'll proceed to the next step of flattening the sliced bread with a rolling pin. After flattening the sliced bread, I'll brush the edges with the flour slurring. And at the middle of the bread, I'll be adding some filling. Then fold together like this. And press the edges of the bread together with my finger. You can see it is well sealed. I'll set aside. Repeat the same process for the others. In another bowl, I have some breadcrumbs. So I'll go ahead, pick one of the bread, dip in the flour slurring and coat well with the breadcrumbs. Set aside and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. Once they are nicely coated, the next thing for us to do is to begin to fry them. So I'll add them to my preheated oil and fry them until they are golden brown. I'll flip off for both sides to be well fried. Once they are well fried, I'll remove them from the oil and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. After frying, here we have this simple and delicious recipe for breakfast. I guess you might want to try this out. Please let me know in my comment section. Kindly like and share this with your loved ones. Thanks for spending your time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.